What's up, guys? Just got out here. It's a little bit late. It's like 1:30. We're out on Lake Kesis. First ice. We came out here yesterday, but we only got like 2 hours of fishing in. Didn't catch anything, so we're gonna call this our first real time out on the ice this year. Ice is about 4 inches. So yeah. Hopefully we can get on some fish here. We're setting up in about 12 feet of water right here. It's just a little weed edge that we're on. And we're gonna throw up some tip-ups and start jigging. Hopefully we can get some panfish, a couple bass, couple pike, who knows. Yeah. We're in about 7 feet of water right here. Some fish all right here. Keep coming up for it, but they're not hitting it. I don't know. Did he take my... he took one. Still got one left. Here.
Second time's the charm.
Come on. Yeah, didn't feel like dragging the otter all the way out here, but
We got
not too bad out.
We got that little sled over there.
So,
It's a pretty nice setup.
come on. Dude, there's so many here. Oh, come on. Dude, there's so many here. Come on. It's too big for him. Try putting another wax rim on this tungsten jig here. Double this up. Flag. The line's over there now. Might have been a false alarm here. Something might have taken her. Oh. False alarm. Step up.
First fish of the year.
Piker.
Ooh, little pike.
Little piker.
First fish, first day 2021, right? It's
Yep.
2021.
Yeah, 2021, yeah. Not bad. Little snake. Nothing too crazy, but start. We've only been out here for like 20 minutes, so not bad. I'm gonna go grab the pliers. Oh, got him unhooked. Took a little bit, but first fish 2021. Going back. Snaker. I was in like 6 feet of water, just some weeds. Yeah, 20 minutes in, not bad. Let's see if we can get a bigger one here. Set this bad boy back up. Get to it. Alright guys, we've been out here for like an hour and a half and it's really cold. We only caught that one pike and then we got trolled on that other tip up. And we're marking a bunch of fish, but can't seem to catch any of them. I don't know, hopefully we can, I might drill a few more holes, see if we can get on. I don't know what to do because we're marking fish, but we can't catch them, so I don't know. Stay tuned. Maybe we'll catch some more panfish. Hopefully we get a few more tip-ups before we have to head in here. And yeah, I think I'm gonna call this video how to catch only one fish in an entire day. Maybe how not to catch fish. I can't seem to catch fish. I thought I was good when I came out here, and then yeah, the fish just said, no, you're terrible.
Welcome to Pretending How to Fish 101.
Yeah, see, all these fish right here, they're pranking me. They're just coming up to look at it, and then they're saying, nah. Yeah, I'm gonna be selling a course on how to not catch fish. Link will be down in the description. You might want to get in on that fast. It's probably gonna fill up real quick. Yeah, reserve your spot. It's gonna be real in-depth on how to not catch fish. It's gonna go over like all the species. It's gonna be an ice fishing one, you know, because I can't catch fish ice fishing. Open water will come out when open water is available. I don't think I've ever marked more fish in my life and not caught one. These fish really are just mocking me at this point, just sticking around here, not biting. They're not having any of it, so I don't know, I might just call it a day here, I don't know. Alright guys, I think we're gonna pack it up for the day. Snow is coming down a little bit more. It's kind of cold. My hands are pretty cold. We were on the fish like most of the day. Couldn't connect. Couldn't haul them onto the ice. So we only caught that one pike. But we're gonna come out again tomorrow. Hopefully earlier. Hopefully we can get a little bit more fishing in. Hopefully we can catch some more fish. Like, subscribe. Comment on this. Yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.